Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, choose Passwords and Security, select Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, wait 5 seconds and tap on Next. Now tap on Done, and when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!